Skinny girl. Life isn't the same for everyone, but that doesn't mean anyone can just stop halfway through it. We must win this race called life. I am Sally Anderson, a schoolgirl aged 16. I've always been someone who enjoys solitude. I never had friends at school. I was always alone. That didn't really bother me, but one thing did hurt me. Why do people laugh at someone's shortcomings? None of us are perfect human beings. So laughing at someone else's flaws is a truly low thing to do. I am a very skinny girl. The kids at school used to say my arms looked like beanstalks. Some even said I looked like a walking skeleton. Every day I used to stand in front of the mirror and look at myself. Yes, I am very thin, but I think I am beautiful. That's why I never cared about what others said. Not only in studies, I'm also very talented in sports. I especially love running marathons. But the saddest thing is my school never gave me a chance to play just because I was so skinny. You're like a slice of bread. How can you run a marathon? You'll fall apart after running 2 or 3 steps. Not just the students, even the teachers said things like that, so my dream became nothing more than just a dream. If someone were to ask me, where's the saddest place in the world for you, I would say my own home. My mom works at a hotel washing dishes. My dad is a heart patient. In just one more month, he has to undergo surgery. That surgery cost a lot of money. My mom works tirelessly day and night trying to save up for it. Right after school, I go straight to the hotel where my mom works. I wash dishes with her. I get paid a small amount for it. And then one day I saw an announcement. It was for a marathon, no age limit, anyone could participate. The winner would get a cash prize. That's exactly the amount needed for my father's surgery. You have to go, Sally. That's what my heart told me. So I decided to participate in the race. It was 2 weeks away. I worked hard preparing for it. After school, I would go to work at the hotel. When I finished, I trained. I didn't have a place to train, but behind our house was a big open field. At night, the street lights lit up the entire field. Under that light, I trained every night. I gave it everything I had. I had to do this for my dad. That's what my heart kept saying. I drew strength from that thought every single moment. Finally, the big day arrived. I saw my classmates laugh at me when they saw I was competing, but I ignored it. The race began. I ran with everything I had. I didn't think about anything else. My heart was filled only with thoughts of my dad. I ran fast. I didn't even feel tired. Finally, the race ended. The winner is Sally Anderson. Congratulations to you. That's what I heard from the microphone. I thanked my legs. Along with the prize money, I also received a huge honor. Tears filled my eyes as everyone watched. I didn't stop, I ran straight home. My mom and dad still didn't know I had taken part in a race like that. Dad, I won! I shouted as I looked into their faces. I told them every detail. My mom hugged me in tears, and I saw tears shining in my dad's eyes too. In the end, my dad was able to have the surgery successfully. I even received great recognition from my school. My teachers selected me for sports too. From then on, no one could mock me again. So, never give up, only you can win for yourself. Thanks for listening this story.